Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the error this app isn't available on your device because it was made for an older version of Android. First of all, open up the Google support in the web browser. Then search for your problem. It will provide you with the solution for this app that isn't available on your device. You can see the screen where the Play Store says this app isn't available on your device. The Google Play Store itself clearly says that this Android app isn't compatible with your Android version. Please ask your developer to use the required SDK in order to install the device in this Android version as well. Then go to Android Studio and click on Project from here. After that, tap on Build SDK, then select all SDK required and download them. Hope this helps and fix your problem. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.